go way out where there ain't nobody. We turn this cornfield into a party. Pedal to the floorboard and a bit of four-door, burning up a back road song. Park it and we pile out, baby, watch your step down. Better keep your boots on, kick the dust up and back it on up. Fill your cup up, stir it up, and kick the dust up. Hey everybody, this is Blaze Guitar Lessons. Today I'm going to teach you how to play Kick the Dust Up by Luke Bryan. Great song, very easy to play. Real quick, I want to give a thanks to everyone who subscribed, and to those of you who haven't, I would ask you to please do so. Just if you find that these tutorials informational, useful I should say. Yeah, and also hit the notification bell so you can get notified when I come out with new ones. And one last thing, I've been getting a lot of comments like on, hey, this is like super useful when you do this and stuff. So let me know where you're at. Or like some people say that they have, this is the first song they've ever learned or something, and that it was super useful. So let me know, like, just in the comments, how useful this is to you and stuff. I'd really appreciate it. I've been appreciating those ones I've been getting. So thank you guys. All right, so let's get into it. So standard tuning, capo on the 4th fret, okay? So I'm going to teach you guys how to play the chords for this song. At the end, I'm going to show you the intro part, okay, which is more picking. So if you want to learn that part, stick around for the end, okay? So let's get into it. So the main chords you're going to use for the song are E minor. You're also going to use C and D, and you're also going to use G, okay? Now, in the verses, you're going to use E minor. E minor is going to be the one you use almost the entire song. It's by far the most used chord in the song, okay? So in the verses, you do E minor and D, and that's it, okay? So the way that this goes, the intro is just E minor, okay? And I wouldn't play it as long as he does as it is on the album, because there's a lot of other picking and stuff, and it won't sound great if you do that for a long time. So I would just play it maybe like down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Maybe like just a couple of times. Maybe play the down, up, down like 4 times, and then just go into it. Okay. So it's gonna be, and then it's all week long. It's a farming town. They're making that money grow. Okay. So that's a super easy strumming, and it just goes E minor, D, E minor. Okay. So it's down, 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 down. See that? Down, down. So I'm doing, whenever I switch chords, I do the quick, so watch this. All week long, it's a farming town. So that's just straight down, 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 okay? All week long, it's a farming town. See, I do that quick change when I'm switching chords, and I think it sounds a lot better when you do that in the song. So then you go to D and then back to E minor, okay? All week long, it's a farming town. See, down. Okay, so you do down, up as you switch. All week long, it's a farming town. And then you go down, up. They're making that money grow. And you do the same thing, down, up. Okay, just like that when you're switching. So that's for the first 2 lines of the verse. It's just that strumming. Okay. All week long, it's a farming town. They're making that money grow. So it's just down, up, down. Okay. When you're doing that the chord change. And then you go tractors, plows with flashing lights, backing up a 2-lane road. Same exact thing there, okay? Now it's going to change slightly when you go to the next part, when it's that sun up high goes down. So that's down. When you're on D, you go down, down, up, down. Okay? Down, down, up, down. Okay? And then you go to the next line, which is the same thing. It's, it's not, it's, they take one last lap around. Okay, so you just do down, down. So I got the 2 lines mixed up. I said the second line first, but it goes, so that part where they take one last lap around, that sound pie goes down. It's the same exact strumming as I just said. So it's down, 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 up, down. Okay, just like that. And then you're gonna go down, down twice, and then go into the next line. Then, for the last part of it, you're only using E minor, so it's, and it's on, girl, kick it on back, Z71 like a Cadillac. So you're just doing down the whole time. If you want, I think it sounds better if you actually palm mute it, because this is in the part of the song where they take out a lot of the instruments. So it'll sound better, I think, if you palm mute it like that. And palm muting is just taking this part of your hand, putting it as close as you can to this part, but not on it, but as close as you can to the white part here. And then, all right, and you're just gonna hit the bass notes. So for E minor, it's crazy easy because you're just hitting A and D, okay? Okay, just like that. So then you go into the chorus, and for the chorus you're going to start with E minor, C, and then D. And this is where G is going to come in this in just a second here, okay? So and the strumming is going to be slightly different, but you do, we go way out where, and notice you're doing this louder. We go way out where there ain't nobody. See, so you're still doing that same thing as before. You start, that's how this starts, is the strumming. We go way out where, okay, on after where you do C, there ain't nobody. Okay, so I'm just doing that down, up, down when I switch, okay? And other than that, you're just doing down, 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 but that's only for the first 2 lines, okay? And then it's, we turn this cornfield into a party. Okay, so that's where you do just the down strums with the quick transition parts. Now when you go to after that, you're gonna do pedal to the floor, so down, up, okay? Just straight up, down, up, just like that, down, up. Pedal to the floorboard, and then you're gonna mute, okay? Then you're gonna do G, and up in a 4-door, okay? So on 4, and up in a 4-door, and you're gonna mute again, and you're gonna do D, burning up a back road song. Okay, so burning up, down, down, burning up a back road song, down, up, down, down, down. So you're just doing down, up, down, down, burning up a back road song. Song is where you do E minor again, okay? Then you're gonna go, park it and we pile out, park it and we pile out, baby, watch your step now. So it's down, up, down, down, down. You're just doing down there, okay? Park it and we pile out, baby, watch your step now. Better have your boots on. So you do D better on better. Better have your boots on. Kick the dust up. Okay, so you can mute it right before you say kick the dust up. So you go, better have your boots on. Kick the dust up. And then you're just gonna do E minor for this whole part. Back it on up. You're just doing downstrokes. Fill your cup up. Let's tear it up. Kick the dust up, kick the dust up, okay? So he says it a couple times like echoes, so I would mute it there, and then the second verse is exactly the same. Bar downtown, they got a line of people walking out the door. Same exact as the first verse, okay? So then you're gonna do the chorus, is gonna be the same the second time. There's a solo in it, and for the solo, you're just gonna be playing E, C, D, E minor, okay? So you're just doing E minor, C, D, E minor, okay? And then for the bridge, there's not really a bridge, it's just that one line. It's just like, so you're just gonna do, you can either open strum it like that, or you can just you can palm mute it. You can go, just follow me down to the 32 bridge. You're gonna be glad you did. Kick it. We go. Okay, so you just do that. So you could even just do, follow me down. Okay, just like either way. So either just one strum for it, or you can do down, down, just palm mute it, okay? Either one. And then you're just gonna play the chorus again, all right? And remember the chorus is E minor, C, D, E minor, C, D, then it's C, G, D, E minor, C, D, E minor, okay? And that's the whole thing. So now I'm gonna show you real quick how to play the intro part, all right? So the intro part, you can't play it with the capo one. So well, I mean, maybe there's a way to, but I don't know how. So we're just gonna do this here real quick, okay? So you're gonna start with your pointer finger on the 6th fret on the D string, okay? So you're gonna, you do that, and then you're gonna do 9, okay, on the B string, 9, 7, okay, both on the B string, 9, 7, and then you're gonna do, I use my middle finger, but you put it on the 8th fret on the G string. So you're gonna go 8, 6, okay? So it's gonna be 9, 9, so sorry, 6, 6, 9, 7, 8, 6. And then you go back to 8, 8, 7, 9 on the B string, 7, 9 on the B string, okay? And then you're gonna put your pointer finger, I put it on the 7th fret on the little E string. Okay, so you're gonna do that and mute. Then you're gonna go back to, you're gonna repeat that. It's gonna be exactly the same, except for you're gonna end it before you get to that last note. So you're gonna go 6 on the D string, and then you're gonna do, let's see, 9 on the B string, 9, 7, both on B, and then middle finger on the G string on 8, 8, 6, 8. Okay, and then come back with your pointer, put it on 7, on B, 7, 9. Okay, so 7, 9. So that's how it goes. And you just play that twice through. Okay, so it's going to be. Okay, then mute. And you're going to do it again. Okay, and you just end that. You just play that through twice, and that's the intro, okay? So I tried to play it through really slow, even when I went through it all the way, just so you guys could, get it more. But yeah, it's a really easy little picking thing. I'm just using my thumb, but it's probably easier if you use a pick. Yeah, it's a great song. I really love it. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments, and it's been fun, guys. I'll see you next time.